Hey everybody, it's the Gun Doctor. I've got another review for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to install the V7 Weapon Systems Titanium Ambidextrous Safety Selector. I get all my V7 products at vertexops.com. They have them cheaper than retail price and with free shipping. Okay, so the V7 Weapon Systems, they have a right-handed safety selector with titanium. They have several lightweight models, and I got the complete titanium Ambi selector. So it comes with a shorter lever and a longer lever. They're all, both levers are grade 5 titanium. The core is also grade 5 titanium, and it comes with a torque screw that's grade 5 titanium. So it's 100% complete titanium. So it's going to be 100% corrosion resistant. It's going to be like 50% lighter than standard mil-spec steel. And a lot of companies, even if they have titanium handles, maybe they have, which not a lot of companies do that, but most other companies, they don't have the titanium core. They have a plastic core or like an 8620 steel core. So this is extremely durable, high quality product. You have the option of switching your levers to different sides, and it also has the option of switching between a 57-degree throw or a 90-degree throw. So all you have to do is turn your core around and you can switch between the two. It's compatible with AR-15s and AR-10s. All V7 products have a lifetime warranty. And the core is grade 5 heat treated hardened titanium. And as well as the levers are titanium. And you can choose between ion bond black or a raw titanium finish. This is a raw titanium. So the first thing you're going to want to do to install this is you're going to want to go ahead and open it up. Dump it out. Set that to the side. It also comes with your spring and your detent with the pointy side and the flat side. So go ahead and set that to the side. Go ahead and back this Allen screw out. Okay, go ahead and set this to the side. Make sure you don't lose the screw. Take note that there's a cutout right there. There's also a cutout on the core, and that is to line up your levers so they stay straight. So go ahead and set that to the side. Go ahead and get your lower. This is a Battle Arms Development lightweight lower. Okay, see, this hole here is where your detent will be, and this hole is where your grip screw will be. So, as you can see, here's the ditch for the detent. It's a lot closer together. That's the 57-degree throw. Here, it's a lot further apart. That's the 90-degree throw. The two sides are a lot further. So that's the 90 degrees. So figure out which side you want it on and face it down on the right side of your lower receiver. So if you want the 57, we're going to go with the 57. You're going to go ahead and line that up in your receiver. And see, that's the detent is going to be going up into that side. So that's the 57-degree side. If you want the 90, you can just flip it around, and if you want your larger lever on your right side, on your thumb side, then you're going to want to switch your levers. So now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get that lever, line up the cutout, make sure that lever's in there straight. You can go ahead and get it started with your hand, getting that screw back in there. Maybe not. Alright, get your Allen tool. Make sure you get that screw in there straight so you don't strip it. That nice and tight. Okay, one thing I did notice is I don't know if it's because this is a really lightweight lower and they took a lot of cuts out, but there's a lot of gap in between the sides. But it's okay because once you put your detent in there, it's not going to move back and forth, and it's just going to come off. It's going to be in the center, so it's just going to come off of each side a slight bit, just enough so it's not going to scratch your anodizing. So it's going to be okay. I was just a little worried at first. So go ahead, get your detent, get it pointy side up, see, flat, pointy, get the pointy side. There's a hole right here. You're going to want to go ahead and drop that guy in there. Get your lever straight. You can go ahead and push it in with your spring so those levers stay straight. Go ahead and set your lower down to the side for a second. Okay, now we're going to be this is also an install for a grip because you got to get that spring in there. So we're going to be using an Ergo grip. This is the Sure Grip, the 4009 model. It has an aggressive texture. You can see that extra stippling on there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Comes with your screw, a regular screw, and it comes with their signature gapper. Their gappers, only Ergo grips have that. There's a gap in between the bottom of the grip and your trigger guard, and it goes in between it to make it look all flush fitting. So we're going to go ahead and get that out. Here's the grip. Go ahead and open up the bottom. They put a little note in here that says do not use this as a storage device, so don't put your batteries or anything in there. I guess it's not, this could fall off of it, but it's in there pretty tight, so it's just mainly for dirt, so I guess they don't want you to lose anything. So go ahead and set all that to the side. Okay, go ahead and get that screw. We're going to go ahead and get that screw in there. Okay, once your screw is in there, get your spring. You'll see there's a little cutout right there on that guy. Slide that spring in there. Take your lower. Go ahead and push them together. You're going to want to make sure you line this. There's a little ditch for the detent. Go ahead and line that up and make sure it goes in the hole. Really got to push it forwards. Okay, and just make sure that detent's in there, that spring's in there good. Go ahead and get your screw now. Just start tightening that guy down. Make sure you get that pushed up enough. There we go. Go ahead and tighten this guy up. Alright, then just go ahead and safety check it. Works nicely. There you go. Stay tuned for my next install.